Welcome to our channel. If you want to minimize cryptocurrency transaction fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to save money and optimize your crypto transactions. Step 1. Choose the right blockchain network for your transactions. Different networks have vastly different fee structures, with some like Binance Smart Chain or Polygon offering much lower fees than Ethereum. Step 2. Time your transactions during periods of low network congestion, typically during weekends or late-night hours in major time zones, when fewer users are competing for block space and fees are naturally lower. Step 3. Use exchanges that absorb transaction fees or offer free withdrawals as promotional benefits. Some platforms cover network fees for certain cryptocurrencies or provide fee-free withdrawals up to a certain amount. Step 4. Batch multiple transactions together when possible instead of making several small transfers. This consolidation reduces the total number of transactions you need to pay fees for on the blockchain. Step 5. Set custom gas fees manually if your wallet allows it, rather than accepting the default suggested fee. During non-urgent transactions, you can set lower fees and wait longer for confirmation. Step 6. Consider using Layer 2 solutions like Lightning Network for Bitcoin or Optimism and Arbitrum for Ethereum, which process transactions off the main blockchain and significantly reduce costs. Step 7. Switch to cryptocurrencies specifically designed for low-cost transactions, such as XRP, Stellar, or Nano, which offer near-instant transfers with minimal or zero fees. Step 8. Monitor gas price trackers and fee estimator tools to identify the optimal time to make transactions when network fees are at their lowest points throughout the day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.